This is Dexter Herrera. This is my assignment, unsorted to sorted array. So this is my unsorted number. I go to sorted using a sorting algorithm. For first is the bubble sort. So now bubble sort, if bubble sort data, array data, and length array. So steps for hirings and for j in range then next steps is append list array for the record array. It next is if array j array. Next is array j array first array j one array steps begins on to record after the next one. The steps happen is the final shorted array. Return steps. So, sabi dito, for the bubble sort is the simplest sorted algorithm for by repeatedly iterating through the list, comparing adjustment element and swapping if they are in the wrong order. The bubble sort it is named because elements tend to move up into a correct order like bubbles rising in circles. Yes, it's called bubble sort because one iteration of the algorithm's smallest to largest element will return its final place at end beginning of the array. Next is selection sort. Steps data. Array sequence data. Steps for array. In index I or the D array. Steps okay. Array. In index J array. Steps span is array. Steps span is array. Finite shorted array. Return steps. So selection sort. Selection sort is the one simply sorting algorithm. Sort by creating a sorted array by finding and adding the correction element in each iteration. The sequence array is divided into parts, sorted part, unsorted part. In each iteration, pick the smaller element from the unsorted part, exchange it with the leftmost unsorted element, and move the boundary by the one place. to include another element in the sorted path. After all the iterations, the entire array gets sorted. So last is insertion sort. Insertion sort. That data. Array data. X for arrays. One length array. K second array. J while steps appended time step final target marriage return steps. So last is different shortened steps algorithm name data print algorithm name and algorithm requires problem short text but problem short text data. Okay, selection short. Next is text selection short. Text data. Next is algorithm extension short. Okay. So now go to wait. Ito ba? Ayun ba? Yun. Oh, ano ko? Wait lang. Bakit na yun? Yun. This is the shorted algorithm. So this from unsorted to shorted bubble short. Step by step, this is going to and going to shorted. From selection short also unsorted to shorted. And session short also unsorted to shorted. That's it, ma'am. Thank you.